Hello everyone. In today's article, we will be discussing the top 5 best Android tablets for drawing available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable tablets, this article will guide you through some great options. Number 1. XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro Drawing Tablet. The innovative red dial interface is designed for a smooth workflow and optimal efficiency. It fits comfortably in your hand and can be programmed to zoom in and out on your canvas and scroll up and down more easily and accurately. Compared to the Artist 15.6, the Artist 15.6 Pro features 8 fully customizable shortcuts keys and puts more customization options at your fingertips to suit your preferred work style, allowing you to capture and express your ideas easier and faster for optimized workflow. Adopting full laminated technology, the Artist 15.6 Pro seamlessly combines the glass and the screen, to create a distraction-free working environment that's also easy on the eyes. The 15.6-inch full laminated IPS display pairs a superb color accuracy of 88% NTSC opening parenthesis 120% sRGB, with 178 degrees of visual angle and delivers rich colors, vivid images, and dazzling details in wider view. The XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro supports 60 degrees of tilt function to ensure accurate imitation of a real tilting brush effect, delivering smoother and more natural transition between lines and strokes. You will enjoy a more naturally familiar drawing experience than ever before. With up to 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, the PA2 battery-free stylus provides you with increased accuracy and enhanced performance to create the finest sketches and lines. Number 2. Huion Kamvas 16 2021 Graphics Tablet. Support Mac OS, Windows and Android device. Compatible with various mainstream drawing and designing software, such as PS, AI, Asset Painter, GIMP, Clip Studio, Krita. Support usability on phones via USB-C to USB-C cable. Optional connection. Insert the USB-C male plug of the 3-inch -1 cable to the USB-C port on the device 1, and then connect the HDMI and the black USB-A cables to the PC respectively. If the output voltage of PC is insufficient, in such case, you need to insert the red male plug of 3-inch -1 cable into a power adapter, USB 3.0 or above, port. Connect the pen display to PC or Android device with the USB-C to USB-C cable not included, via port. When an Android phone, tablet is connected or the GUID of laptop is insufficient, please use the USB power adapter optional on K12/K13, standard on K16, and USB charger cable optional /3-inch -1 cable to power up the device via port. Number 3. Huion Graphic Monitor Kamvas Pro 16 Drawing Tablet. Brightness and exquisite details. The 15.6-inch screen not only satisfies your expectation for sufficient working area but also offers you great convenience as it is easy to be carried around. 16.7 million colors brought by 120% sRGB enables your Kamvas Pro 16 to better present the colors applied to your works. Kamvas Pro 16 ensures impeccable visual effects viewed at angles vary from -89 degrees to +89 degrees, while maintaining natural colors and high-quality images. The durable AG glass helps to make the screen clearer and its matte finishing ensures you a pen-on-paper drawing experience. Full lamination crafts applied to Kamvas Pro 16 ensures seamless contact between the ultra-slim AG glass and the LCD screen, which realizes that cursor on the screen will follow tight to the movement of your pen nib and minimize the parallax. Embrace the smooth drawing experience you have never tried before with 266 pps report rate brought by Kamvas Pro 16. ±60 degrees tilt support is available for imitating strokes in various shapes, bringing you a more innovative work. Digital pen PW507 that needs no charge is developed with the battery-free technology, which will ensure you an immersive drawing experience. 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity allows you to draw accurately in a variety of ways based on subtle differences in pressure. Therefore, your work will be more vibrant with diverse lines and layers. Number 4. UGEE 12P Digital Drawing Tablet. Featuring an 11.9-inch FHD, 1920x1080, full laminated, anti-glare screen, the UGEE 12 Plus provides a zero-parallax drawing experience, ensuring that every stroke comes to life in vibrant hues. Every shade is vibrantly displayed. Equipped with a full laminated screen, the UGEE 12 Plus features 99% ultra-wide color coverage, 147% sRGB wide color gamut, freedom to switch between sRGB, Adobe RGB, and DCI-P3. Equipped with 2 programmable hotkeys, allowing you to effortlessly toggle between drawing tools and maximize your efficiency. Switch between tools and functions quickly, and adjust drawing tools precisely for enhanced productivity. Transform from a standby screen to a drawing tablet within seconds, unleashing boundless creativity. Number 5. Huion Kamvas 13 Black Graphic Drawing Tablet. The creative Kamvas 13 with eye-catching appearance comes in 3 colors, Midnight Green, Purple Violet and Cosmo Black, which provides more choices for users to suit their styles. Kamvas 13 is super slim at 11.8mm and weighs only 980 grams, making it an easy-to-carry pen display for outdoor drawing. Besides a Type-C to HDMI connection, Kamvas 13 also supports a Type-C to Type-C connection. Users can easily connect laptop that supports Type-C input to Kamvas 13 without using Type-C to HDMI adapter. Kamvas 13 is the first pen display that supports connectivity with an Android device via a full Type-C cable. Not included in the package. Users can express their ideas on Kamvas 13 whenever and wherever they want. Full HD IPS display with 178 degrees viewing angle and extra wide 120% sRGB color gamut will bring you vivid images with vivid color and detail. The fully laminated screen with an anti-glare screen protector ensures a comfortable viewing experience. The glass combines perfectly with the screen to minimize parallax, and at the same time, the anti-glare screen protector helps to keep your screen clear and transparent even under bright light. Kamvas 13 can be easily switched between 2 modes, pen display and pen tablet. The pen tablet mode will be activated when the screen of Kamvas 13 is turned off, which not only saves energy, but also gives users another way to express their creativity.